our national and global map. Thanks to you that our small panchayat of our Sarkari Taluka is known to everybody in India, I'm sure, by all these years. It's been last 30 years that you all are participating and Thane is a part of it. And I think we should be all very grateful to Mr. Richard Sherman, who started this trekking movement since 1990. It started as a very modest effort for youth club, for hikers and hiking and trekking lovers, has become like a global phenomenon today and a national phenomenon. Each one participates and you have made Goa for the last 30 years. You have made Goa part of your trekking expedition, and actually you are our Western Ghats. Goa is known for its Western Ghats, and you are at the foothills of the Western Ghats, which is known as for its biodiversity. It's a biodiversity hotspot, and what better spot than this panchayat? It's a very beautiful panchayat, very beautiful part of Sarkari. We have garbage collectors, we have bins, and we have special people employed only to take care of that. And now you see that happening in the waterfalls, which I'm going to take charge of under the JFDC, that is Pali and Chidambaram waterfalls, Gire waterfalls, Sharani waterfalls. So this trek that you're going to start and you're going to experience each of these waterfalls, whether it's Pali, Chidambaram, or whether it is you're going to go to Shirap, I think Budruk also trekking, you're going to go to Sarane, one of the most beautiful places, part of bordering. Then I don't know whether you go to Sula also, I'm sure. Because Sula waterfalls is also one of the most popular waterfalls in Goa. So it's a very, very long trek. It's bordering Belgaum, Karnataka. And but there's a shortcut now if you want to trek over there, which leads right up to the Chola Ghat. We just cut short the distance because of this road that is leading to the forest. The distance has been cut short over 30 kilometers. So now people from here can reach Belgaum in an hour's time. Otherwise, it used to take them like over 2 hours. So welcome to Sarkari, welcome to Thane Panchayat, and let's flag off this beautiful first batch of your trekking expedition today. And it's really, very proud and privileged to be amongst you all, and super great initiative by the president and your entire committee